is wing wall? These are the walls provided at the both end of the abutments to retain the earth filling and divert flow of water. What is weep holes? Weep holes are provided in retaining wall and breast wall for drainage purpose, which reduce the weight of soil and wall. Protect from sliding and overturning. Why we provide stirrups in beam? Stirrups are provided in vertical form near to support with minimum center to center distance. It is resist shear forces and negative bending moment. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. What is shoulder? Shoulder are provide lateral support to carriageway and accommodated the speed of vehicle. What is English bond? In this type of bond, alternate course of header and stretcher are laid. What is Flemish bond? In this type of bond, same course of header and stretcher are laid. What is short column of RCC? If the slenderness ratio less than 50, it's called short column. What is medium column of RCC? If the slenderness ratio 50 to 200, it's called medium column. What is long column of RCC? If the slenderness ratio more than 200, it's called long column. What is short column of steel? If the slenderness ratio less than 30, it's called short column. What is medium column of steel? If the slenderness ratio 30 to 120, it's called medium column. What is long column of steel? If the slenderness ratio more than 120, it's called long column. Steel arrangement of one-way slab. In one-way slab we will provide main reinforcement in short direction with minimum center to center distance because its resist loads and distribution bar are provided in long direction with maximum distance because its resist shrinkage. It is also called temperature and shrinkage bar. Why we used negative bar and where is it used? Negative bar we will provide at top fiber in beam and slab on support, like extra bar which resist negative bending moment or hogging. In chaja portion, which position main and distribution bar used? Chaja is the type of cantilever structure, so we will provide main bar at top fiber because it's tension zone and distribution bar at bottom fiber because it's compression zone. Why we find shear force and bending moment? Shear force and bending moment is the graphical representation of beam, where required maximum and minimum numbers of stirrups and main bar. What is rise? Rise is the vertical distance between two consecutive tread are called rise. What is riser? Riser is the vertical surface between two consecutive tread are called riser. What is queen closer? When we cut brick in longitudinal direction, half is called queen closer. What is effective depth? The vertical distance between center of main bar to top of beam. Components of stair. There are different parts of stair. 1. Rise. 2. Tread. 3. Riser. 4. Landing. 5. Blaster. 6. Handrail. 7. Nose. 8. Stringer. 9. Soffit. 10. Newel. 11. Flight. 12. Waste slab. What is bitumen? Bitumen is a semi-solid material which used for binding material in road construction, like cement for concrete and mortar. What is asphalt? Asphalt is the combination of bitumen, coarse aggregate, and fine aggregate like sand and coarse aggregate in concrete. It consists 95% small size of aggregate and 5% bitumen. What is wall joint? A joint in the masonry parallel to the face of wall are called wall joint. What is bed joint? A joint in the masonry horizontal to the face of wall are called bed joint. What is cross joint? A joint in the masonry normal to the face of wall are called cross joint. What is super elevation? Super elevation is rise of outer edge with respect to inner edge are called super elevation. Formula for road BV square by GR. Formula for railway GV square by GR. Maximum super elevation. Values: hilly areas equals 10%. Plain areas equals 7%. Urban areas equals 4%. What is camber? Camber is provided in road surface in transverse direction for drainage purposes. What is shear reinforcement? Shear reinforcement are provided to resist shear forces and negative bending moment. It's provided in vertical and inclined form like stirrups and bent up bar. Difference between one-way slab and two-way slab. One-way slab, two-way slab. 1. L by B ratio are equal or greater than 2. 1. L by B ratio are less than 2. 2. One-way slab is supported by beam only. Two sides. 2. One-way slab is supported by all four sides. 3. Main reinforcement is provide in short direction. 3. Main reinforcement is provide in both direction.